graphic design program at George Brown is where creativity meets strategy. In this 3-year advanced diploma, you'll master the fundamentals of design from typography and layout to motion graphics, web, and interactive media. As you move through the program, you'll shape your own path. A wide mix of electives lets you explore communication and advertising design at a deeper level and tailor your studies to the type of designer you want to become. You'll also work on real industry projects in professional studio environments, gaining the technical and conceptual skills that employees value.
When I joined the graphic design program, I came in knowing I wanted to create, but I didn't expect the college to challenge me the way that it has. The faculty challenge you, the projects are real, and working with classmates feels like a studio, not a classroom. Those experiences helped me build a portfolio that reflects my voice. I've sharpened my skills and built the confidence to pitch ideas and bring them to life, and the college has been a big part of that.
If you're ready to turn your creativity into a career, the graphic design program at George Brown will give you the tools, mentorship, and experience to make it happen.